Camping just got a whole lot smarter with gear that's redefining outdoor adventures. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or new to the camping scene, having the right tools can make all the difference. These incredible inventions combine innovation, functionality, and convenience to enhance your time in nature. From compact cooking solutions to high-tech gadgets, they're designed to tackle challenges while keeping things simple and enjoyable. In this video, we're uncovering the 10 incredible camping inventions that everyone will appreciate. Get ready to discover game-changing gear that will make your next outdoor experience unforgettable. Let's dive in. The Tentsla Tent is a cutting-edge camping accessory crafted to integrate effortlessly with Tesla vehicles, especially the Model Y. It transforms outdoor adventures by connecting directly to the car's rear and utilizing Tesla's camp mode for a perfectly climate-controlled interior. Built for convenience, the Tentsla Tent inflates in just 5 minutes using the included pump. With dimensions of 220 centimeters by 210 centimeters by 180 centimeters, its spacious main compartment comfortably accommodates up to 4 campers. Constructed from waterproof Oxford polyester, it provides reliable protection against unpredictable weather, while large mesh windows ensure ventilation and keep bugs at bay. Additional features include multiple awnings for shade and privacy, a compact packable design that fits into the Model Y's trunk or frunk, and seamless compatibility with Tesla's smart climate system. Ideal for Tesla owners seeking to elevate their camping experience, the Tentsla Tent is the ultimate blend of innovation and outdoor comfort. The EATi Mag is the ultimate all-in-one titanium utensil for adventurers who value simplicity, durability, and sustainability. Whether you're conquering rugged trails, enjoying a campfire meal, or picnicking under the stars, EATi Mag has you covered. Say goodbye to bulky, clunky gear, and hello to compact convenience. This innovative utensil set features a sleek magnetic design that locks the pieces together seamlessly. No more lost forks or noisy clanging. EATi Mag keeps your gear organized, quiet, and space-efficient. It's perfect for minimizing clutter and maximizing functionality, even halfway up a mountain. Crafted from premium titanium, EATi Mag delivers exceptional durability, lightweight portability, and rust-proof, bacteria-resistant performance. Its eco-friendly design helps reduce single-use plastic waste, offering a long-lasting, sustainable solution for outdoor dining. Created by adventurers for adventurers, EATi Mag combines practicality with a sleek aesthetic, ensuring you're always ready to savor good food and great company in the heart of nature. Tired of risky knives with unreliable locks and exposed release buttons? Introducing Titanium Portable Everyday Multi-Knife, a revolutionary blend of safety, innovation, and versatility. Built to elevate your daily tasks and outdoor adventures, it's not just a knife, it's your dependable companion. Unlike traditional knives that might open unintentionally, our knife's innovative locking mechanism ensures the insert stays securely in place, eliminating accidents and providing peace of mind. With a child-safe design, it's engineered to keep your family protected while offering effortless usability. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, this knife is lightweight, rust-resistant, and built to last. Featuring a compact 6-in-1 multi-tool design, it combines a package opener, pry bar, nail puller, screwdriver, and bottle opener into a sleek, travel-friendly tool. Its ergonomic handle, fidget-friendly click, and customizable inserts ensure precision, comfort, and personal style, making it a must-have for every adventurer or everyday user. Compact, lightweight, and impressively powerful, the Highlander Banshee Mini Air Pump is your ultimate outdoor companion for effortless inflation. Perfect for air beds, pillows, and other inflatables, this tiny marvel weighs just 100 grams and fits in the palm of your hand, ready to tackle the toughest camping setups. With the ability to inflate a full-sized air mat in under a minute, the Banshee is as efficient as it is portable. Its USB rechargeable battery powers through up to 20 air pillows or 10 air mats on a single charge. A built-in 40-lumen camping lantern keeps your campsite illuminated for up to 10 hours, adding even more versatility to this multipurpose gadget. Engineered for ease, it features an intuitive dual-layer valve for inflation and deflation, and its durable ABS build ensures reliability on any adventure. Pack it in the included stuff sack, and you're ready to conquer the outdoors. Elevate your camping experience with the Banshee, a true game changer. Stay hydrated in the wild with the GRAYL GeoPress 710 ml water filter bottle. Whether you're hiking, camping, or navigating survival scenarios, this portable powerhouse makes any water source drinkable in seconds. The GeoPress is designed to eliminate 99.99% of all bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, ensuring your water is safe, clean, and free from contaminants. With its easy-to-use design, simply fill, squeeze, and drink. No pumps, chemicals, or complicated setup required. It also removes harmful particles, microplastics, and chemicals like chlorine and benzene, improving the taste and clarity of your water. The GeoPress is perfect for emergencies, travel, and outdoor adventures, as it can clean 710 milliliters of water at a time, and its filter lasts for up to 250 liters. Gear up with the GRAYL GeoPress, where clean water meets convenience, wherever your journey takes you. Harness the sun's power with the Goal Zero Nomad 10 solar panel, your go-to solution for on-the-go energy. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it delivers high-efficiency solar charging in a rugged, compact package. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring, this panel ensures your devices stay powered up. The built-in kickstand lets you position the panel at the perfect angle for optimal sun exposure, ensuring maximum energy collection. Its lightweight design allows you to easily strap it to your pack or tent, while its durability guarantees it'll keep up with all your outdoor adventures. Plus, it folds down neatly for easy storage, making it an essential companion for any trip. Stay connected and charged, no matter where you roam, with the Goal Zero Nomad 10 solar panel. Make your outdoor adventures unforgettable with the UNP 6-person family camping tent. With a spacious 10 feet by 9 feet by 78 inches design, this tent comfortably accommodates up to 6 people, providing plenty of space for air mattresses or sleeping bags. The 78-inch center height gives you the freedom to stand and change without any hassle. Setting up camp is a breeze with this tent. In just 5 to 10 minutes, 1 or 2 people can have the tent ready for use, making it perfect for family car camping or campsite trips. The breathable mesh windows and mesh tent top offer excellent ventilation, ensuring a cool and comfortable interior while allowing you to enjoy the surrounding views. Crafted from high-tech materials with a 1000 mm polyurethane hydrostatic coating, this tent is designed to withstand wind and rain, keeping you dry and secure no matter the weather. Prepare for your next adventure with the UNP 6-person tent, your ultimate family camping companion. When your outdoor adventure calls, the Farland 20 degrees Fahrenheit sleeping bag has you covered, ensuring a cozy rest after a day of trekking, hiking, or camping. This lightweight and compressible sleeping bag is designed to provide warmth in cool to cold conditions, with a temperature rating of 20 Fahrenheit to 60 Fahrenheit, making it perfect for 3 to 4 season use. The waterproof and weather-resistant design keeps you dry and comfortable, even in extreme conditions, so you can stay warm no matter the weather. Crafted from 290T nylon with polyester pongee lining, the double-filled technology ensures excellent insulation and comfort. The roll control design makes packing quick and easy, and you can even zip two bags together for double the space when needed. Weighing just 4.5 pounds, this sleeping bag is easy to carry for all your outdoor expeditions. With a 100% satisfaction guarantee, the Farland Sleeping Bag offers a risk-free investment in your comfort, whether you're tackling the trail or resting under the stars. Add a touch of brilliance to your outdoor setup with the Ogery camping string lights. This 32.8-foot LED string features 8 lighting modes, including warm lights, RGB flashes, and SOS signals, perfect for any camping, yard, or festival adventure. Whether you're lighting up your tent, RV, or garden, these lights create the ideal atmosphere with a variety of settings to suit every mood. Built for portability, these lights weigh just 7.4 ounces and feature a quick storage design, making them easy to pack or hang. Thanks to the waterproof construction and magnetic hanging system, you can easily attach the lights to tents, branches, or any surface to keep your space bright and welcoming, no matter the weather. Powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, The lights offer up to 12 hours of illumination on a full charge, and a USB charging feature keeps them ready for your next adventure. The Ogery camping string lights are a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor experience, whether for camping, Christmas decorations, or evening gatherings. They also make an excellent gift for outdoor enthusiasts.